My name is Jeff Hay. I'm with RDI Technologies. I'm the CEO of RDI. So at IMC, it's been a great experience. This year it's been really nice. Coming out of COVID and actually being able to, see people, meet and greet. One of the things we found really interesting is the new crowd that's been here. So I think when we were in one of the sessions, Terry had asked the new attendees to raise their hand, and it seemed like 70%, raised their hand. And so that's been nice to meet new people, as well as the new theme with digitization and Industry 4.0. We're seeing a lot of the leaders and, with those programs and sort of having good conversations with them. They've been great. Yeah, traffic has been really good. The first day, it was kind of a swarm, right? Everybody came in. Booth was filled, and we have spot in our booth too, so that didn't hurt. Great conversations in the expo. We've talked anywhere from a water company to IBM and Amazon here, and they're all actually interconnected in some ways, whether or not it's somebody using someone's data service to get their data out on their pumps and motors. And so we play a role in that, and so we be able to talk to at those different levels is great, in the sense that talking to the people where our data needs to go and the people who need to actually look at the data. To have that all in one place has been good. Well, one of the things that here, and whether that be with Spot or the software in the cloud that people are using, it's been interesting to see not just like the vendors talk to the attendees, but also the networking with the attendees and connecting that. We've even seen connections within our booth, putting together that. And it's also really nice to, with the amount of variation among the people who are here, that it starts to put the connections with other people. So they'll come to us and they'll say, well, we're using this, and then we can network and with those other people and kind of do it all in one place.